In this video today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get Xbox Game Pass for free. Before I show you guys how to go ahead and do this, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm always creating money-saving tutorials. Now, guys, if you want to know how to get free Xbox Game Pass, look no further than this tutorial. It's going to take you a few minutes, but it's going to save you a bunch of money because Xbox Game Pass is pretty expensive if you was to purchase it, with plans starting at around $10 US a month. So I've managed to find a working code that you can redeem in the Microsoft Store, and it is going to give you access to the Game Pass on Xbox for free. So yeah, this is super simple, guys. So let's not waste any more time. Let's show you how to get free Xbox Game Pass in 2026. As you can see, I'm using my mobile phone, so I recommend you use yours, and all you need to do is head on over to robotcoupons.com. So type it in, guys, www.robotcoupons, and this is a awesome codes website. I've used these previously for lots of different things, and they've saved me so much money over the years. So what you're going to want to do is just use the search bar and type in Xbox, and it should come up Xbox gift card codes and coupons. So just find this page, guys, and on this page there is a bunch of different things, but you can actually get a free 12-month Xbox Game Pass membership. So this is a really easy method, guys. As you can see, you need to reveal your full code here, and this is a code that you can redeem in the Microsoft Store, and it is going to give you a 12-month Game Pass membership for completely free, saving you probably what, $100 or more. So because this is a desirable code, you need to unlock your code, and you need to follow the instructions on this page here. So it says complete 2 of the free apps or survey offers below to get your code, and follow the instructions for each. So essentially, guys, what that is saying, you need to complete 2 tasks on this page. As you can see, these tasks are completely free, and they're really easy things like playing games, installing mobile applications. You can even do free surveys as well. They only take a few minutes to complete 2 of these. I did this earlier, pretty simple. And once you do that, it will redirect you back to this page. Then you go ahead and tap on your Game Pass code. And if you do everything correctly, this full code will be revealed. Obviously, I've skipped forward, but yeah, your code will be shown here. And then you can redeem it on the Microsoft Store, and it is going to give you a free 12-month Game Pass membership. So that is how to get Xbox Game Pass for free in 2026. You just need to head on over to Robot Coupons, guys, and then navigate your way to the Xbox codes page and select the Game Pass code. If you need any help, let me know. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.